So I wanted to take a minute and introduce you to the new format we're going to be using for the remainder of this e-learning in ELA. It's going to look like a lot more work. It is some writing components mixed with making sure you're looking at the presentation. We're seeing some students not pay attention to the actual presentation in the video. So this is some accountability work. It's some reading comprehension. The majority is citing evidence because that's our big standard we want to focus on. And then it ends with a race and context clues to find definitions. So this is going to be what your independent work is going to look like this week and after spring break. So we kind of want to get you into the mix. If you start, it's lesson overview questions. That's this purple here. It's going to ask the objective that is the easiest of the day, the objective that is the most difficult of the day. And it gives you the slide to go back to. 3, what is a biography? This is, were you paying attention to the mini lesson? What did you notice about the cover of the book, and what did you notice, infer, or wonder when you flipped through the book? These are post-its you should have done during the reading that we're holding you accountable to copy down here. Then we move on to the blue, which is going to be discussion questions, and you have to have textual evidence. Why does the author open the introduction with a baseball scene? You explain why. In paragraph 4 on page 6, I ask a question, why does she use that specific sentence? On the bottom right corner of page 7, there's a photograph. What does it do emotionally? 3 sentences minimum. I will be explicit about asking how many sentences. If not, just make them a complete sentence. Then you move on, you're going to have an extended race every ELA class. Based on what you know and infer from the introduction, why is Sharon Robinson a unique perspective on Jackie Robinson? Obviously, this means you have to support your answer. With 2 pieces of evidence from the text. That is extended race. It's a cite evidence, explain, cite evidence, explain. That'll be in pink. And the last thing will always be in green, finding the definitions in our own words on the words that I give you here. So this is linking to standard 7.4. So again, it'll be a lesson overview, questions about the reading, an extended race, and working with new words.